What is up, everybody, and welcome to another video. We like Oreos a lot in this household. Well, I love them. So what we decided to do is we decided to try out different types of Oreos and see how close they come to like what's actually on there and see which one tastes the best.
All right, the first one we're gonna try is the chocolate strawberry
Oreo?
limited edition. You said what?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. We're gonna go with the chocolate strawberries. All right, so here we go.
We're gonna open it from that end. It says lift, I believe. Yeah, it's got a little flap there.
Hey, I can read.
You got this.
Hey, I have a master's degree. The least
I believe in you.
All right, so good for you, mister.
First, the smell test. The smell test.
Some of them missing.
No,
Yeah,
it's
they
a small
cheated us.
box. Smell.
Oh, smell.
The smell test.
I smell like strawberries.
Yeah?
No.
Wait.
Smell like
Okay.
artificial strawberries.
It's the
probably
fruit.
what it is.
This is called the fruit station. We're gonna be high after this.
Taste it.
This is milk or no milk?
No milk.
Milk, no milk.
Taste it without milk.
Oh.
It's actually really good.
It's an Oreo.
I don't taste no strawberries.
Exactly.
No?
I don't
Strawberries.
I didn't taste no strawberries. And this
Strawberry.
This is actually chocolate.
It's a chocolate cookie.
You can kind of
We got scammed.
taste it a little bit.
Okay, I'm taking another taste. I bit right into the middle. Okay. No, I didn't.
All I tasted is chocolate. Sorry.
Nope, just chocolate.
You can taste a tinge. Not a whole lot. But
Anya, why you lying?
you can taste a tiny bit. Alright. Now, with milk. This is the best part of an
I'm a dipper.
Oreo. Me too. I love dipping. Dip it a while.
Yeah, chocolate Oreo.
Chocolate Oreo. Same thing I said.
Don't get me wrong, I love Oreos. Not as much as this guy here, but
Alright. Which
I also like
one are we
blending the
having next?
flavors. And yes, they did have the strawberry smell, a hint of strawberry smell within it.
But no
But
strawberry taste.
I don't think they have a strong enough strawberry
No?
taste. No, the merging of the flavors are a little lacking. Make sure it's not upside down.
Okay, so
we want a refund.
up next, Peeps. Everyone loves Peeps, especially in Easter. They're very, very popular. Okay, so I'm gonna lift it. See the tab right there?
So you had it upside down?
No, I showed the people. All right.
This is the whole cookie. I know you just tasting.
Smell it.
You did eat the whole cookie.
So what flavor is supposed to be?
Peeps. So
What the hell is a peep?
marshmallow.
This thing. This is a, don't put your nose to it. This is a peep.
So just give me the dang Oreo.
It smells like marshmallow.
It smells like marshmallows, right?
Smell like fluffy tailed chicken marshmallows.
Chicken.
No, it smells like
It
marshmallows.
smells like Play-Doh.
Grab two of them. All right.
Smell it again. It smells like Play-Doh now.
Yeah, it actually does a little bit. It smells a little like Play-Doh.
That's the day that I'm feeding us.
All right. Try one without milk, and then if you open it up, that's how it looks.
This is actually what's on the package. What we get.
Well, when it comes to looks, we're right on.
Yeah.
And
Looks
it
exactly
smells like marshmallows or like they just said Play-Doh?
All right.
Okay. I still don't smell the dough.
Pretty good.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. No?
I don't like that. This better flipping these this big.
Okay. Taste-wise,
Terrible.
it tastes like a Peep.
Well,
It tastes like a Peep. Unfortunately, I do not like Peeps, but
tastes terrible.
you guys got it. It's a Peep tasting
Oreo.
Oreo.
That's why they said it on the bag. Box. So
Yeah, but this one didn't taste like strawberries.
I know. It's time to dip.
We getting
Oh.
flour.
Wait,
Getting
gotta
flour.
dip it. Gotta dip it. It's not wine, guys.
Make it
It has to be in there for a while.
so it can be juicy sweet.
Mmm.
With
Dip it
milk?
into milk. No, the aftertaste is still there, but it's cut down by a little bit. So,
Alright, let's try it. Thank God for the milk.
Yeah.
It killed the aftertaste.
Mm-hmm.
yes.
So it's like you tasted nothing. Okay, now the aftertaste.
Actually,
Nothing,
yeah.
but
You still
taste-
get the aftertaste, but it cuts it down while you're chewing, so
Yeah.
it sweeps it away.
So, if you are ever gonna eat Peeps, dip it in the milk, please.
Well, that's if
The milk.
that's if you're not a Peep lover. If you're a Peep lover, this
Something is
cookie
wrong
tastes
with you.
this cookie tastes just like you're eating a Peep.
Mhm.
So this will be right down your
And I
alley.
personally love Peeps, so
You know,
call me crazy.
when you say things like this,
Mm-hmm.
I seriously question my cooking skills
Why?
because you say they're good.
I like Peeps. Who doesn't like Peeps, right? Peeps are fantastic. There's a reason why they're popular.
Let's try this. It's gonna say spring. Let's see
But
it.
you're flipping around up and see it.
Oh, sorry about that. See, we got colors here, so for all the demographics, you can read.
So like, is it gonna taste like spring and butterflies and grass?
Okay, but that depends. What does spring mean to you?
Oh, this don't taste like
When
white
I think of spring,
personality.
I think sunshine, rainbow,
Sunshine and rainbow.
fresh spring
Oh my God.
colors of flowers. So, all right, we're looking to see if this is what spring tastes like. When I think of spring, I think and birds tweeting, butterflies flying, and maybe rainbow with unicorns.
If
Maybe.
you guys want to know what spring tastes like, it's like Walter's personality.
Don't put your nose on
I
it.
didn't put my nose on it. I gotta smell the thing. Watch my nose. Cloggy-ish. Go on. What flavors is yellow cream spring taste? What is it?
It tastes
It
like
told you.
spring.
It tastes
It
like
told
spring,
you.
like sunshine. See?
Sunshine and rainbows.
Oh.
You can see the sunshine radiating out of it. Oh.
I think you need one.
Not
Yeah.
two of them.
Well, we haven't been eating our twos. I don't know if you noticed.
Yeah, we haven't eaten the whole thing. You just like
You've been
everything.
eating
I told you.
I don't even know why he had that. He eating the whole thing and
For the
saying
Oreos.
everything tastes good. Oh, it's good. It's good.
All right.
It's good.
Oh, these are cool. Look, they have little designs. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh, is it different? Is it a bee?
No, it's
Oh,
like
it's
the
cool.
mustache.
So they have different design on them. I have a bee. Funny thing, I'm allergic to honeys and bees. Well, actually, I'm allergic to beeswax, which means if the
Wait,
bee
hold
got
on.
in touch with it,
Check and
will
see if
swell
there's
up.
any honey in this.
Yeah, we probably should check to see if there's any honey in this. Good time to check. But
Yeah.
they have
No,
different
no.
designs. So this one's a bee. What's yours? It says shine on.
Mine is
Let's switch.
mine says love.
You're gonna taste the same.
We
Yeah, but I don't
love
know
me
what
not.
it's like. Shine on.
It says
Shine
love
on.
me, love me not.
Shine on. Shine on.
All right.
Shine on.
Anyways, see, she is spring.
Shine on! Shine on!
Hey,
Shine on!
Make sure you put that in captions when I say J.
Judge.
Put the definition of it too.
What a judge. All right. I still love it.
Inside.
Inside is nice and yellowish, like the sun. All right.
So there's not a big or a specific
It smells
scent
like
to
spring.
it. No, nothing. It smells like nothing.
I can smell spring.
You smell anything?
I can smell the heavens opening up.
I think it's because you love Oreos so much.
Yeah, probably. All
I'm
right.
so
Anyways,
sorry.
let's try it. Are you guys ready?
I'm like the what Power Ranger. Okay, let's try. Oh, without milk.
Mm-hmm. Tastes like a regular Oreo.
Why are you lying to these people? What the hell they doing? What they trying to sell us? What they doing? This one just tastes like Play-Doh.
This one tastes like a regular Oreo.
Okay, I'm trying out on the milk. Yeah, it was an ordinary Oreo.
The
But
only
what's that?
difference was that it's yellow on the inside. And it's got the
And it's
yellow
full of joy! I liked my message personally.
I
I
don't
think
know.
it was a mini little sunshine, a bite-sized sunshine. You know what? I don't care what they say. Yes, it might taste like an ordinary Oreo with just yellow. But I think it was a little bit of sunshine and it made my day. Shine on!
Yeah, it tastes like an ordinary Oreo.
Okay, one more left.
One more left.
Goodness.
I told you to keep it to 2 or 3, but no, we have to get all of them. It's okay.
You have to believe.
All right. Anyways,
I thought any job worth doing is worth doing it right.
that's true. I agree with you, babe. I know. All right. Shut up. I'm joking. Okay, so the next one is Red Velvet Oreo, and on the inside is apparently cream cheese.
Like it's on all of them.
No, the other
Cream
ones are not
cheese
cream
goes
cheese.
with.
Oh, they actually put cream cheese in that?
Actually, put cream cheese. Well, flavored cream.
Oh, not a flan.
It's not real cream cheese, I don't think. But anyways,
Y'all could do better than this Oreo.
yeah. But
It's not Oreo.
As long as it
The
tastes
company
good.
name isn't Oreo. Oreo is the cookie.
Okay, Oreo is a cookie, so what's the company's name?
Nabisco.
Y'all could do better than that.
No biscuit.
All right, so we're gonna lift this up. To you, madam. Actually, let's smell it first. It actually does smell like cream cheese, though.
Says the person that's
Yeah.
says the person who drinks water and says the water tastes good.
There is differences to water taste. That's all I'm gonna say.
Smell.
You smell it now?
It smells like cream cheese, doesn't it?
Just take your turn. Your one.
Ooh. That goes straight to my brain just now. You better have something going there.
Aw, no design.
Just a regular cookie.
Regular lame cookie.
I'm taking 2 because I love Oreos. All right, guys.
Now y'all done waste what? That's-
Red Velvet Oreos. Are you ready to try it? Spring is done. The spring is right here. We already ate the spring.
Do it
again.
Do it again, one chance. Do it again.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that was really good.
No,
No, you don't like it either?
I haven't tried it yet.
He hasn't
Okay.
chewed it yet.
Oh. I don't know what we're doing.
I don't want to say it tastes good because that'd be me agreeing with Daniel. So I'll say it's
So you like it, but you don't want to say you like it because you don't want to agree with Daniel.
damn right.
Okay. So I think the flavors really come out with the milk. So there was a hint of the cream cheese in the red velvet, but when you dip it in the milk, it actually tastes like red velvet and cream cheese. So
Great.
yeah.
Which one's the greatest to the not so great?
Greatest. So
Red
greatest is
velvet.
1.
What? Actually, let's start 4. 4 would be spring.
What?
No.
No, I lied. 4 would be this.
4 would be the Peeps.
Yes.
Yeah,
4
I
would
would
be
have
the
to agree.
Peeps. And then spring would be after.
Wait, and taste. This is in taste wise,
And
right?
taste-wise,
Yeah.
yeah.
And taste wise, 4.
Would be the Peeps. Maybe they can't see that.
Well, then raise it up. There we go. This is what we got.
All right.
And it'll be 1 being
1
red velvet,
was the
being
red
the
velvet.
best.
What was the red
Spring was
velvet?
terrible.
Spring was like
not.
a regular
It was like
Oreo.
a regular Oreo.
And regular Oreos taste great.
It was like a regular, like what you said. A regular Oreo. So yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, do not buy this. This is trash.
Unless you really love
Unless you
Peeps.
really love
If
Peeps.
you are a Peep lover, and I know there you guys are out there, this is your jam.
Mhm.
What about the women?
I didn't say guys.
Guys and gals.
Guys as in
You
girls
people.
and guys.
As you people out there.
As in mankind.
Thank you, saying that kind of people or something. You know how the world is going.
Kids. All right. So first place goes to Red Velvet.
Woo!
Oreo, you did a great job with this one. This one tastes really good.
Yes, you actually did. I actually like Red Velvet.
Yeah, this one tastes really good. All right, second place.
You could carry this to the school.
Spring Oreos. And why? Because they taste exactly like regular Oreos. Like honestly, the only change is that it's yellow on the inside.
They use
And it brings your spirit up. Okay, wait, no, that's the only difference is not the color, because it's a little bit of sunshine tucked into a tree, and it has designs on it that's so cute, and it has encouraging messages. So it would be number 1 if I didn't dip the red velvet into the milk.
Yeah. At number 3 is the strawberry chocolate strawberry. And why? It tastes like chocolate and a whole lot of strawberry in it.
Well, they showed you it didn't have a lot of strawberry in
Yeah.
it, but I think the chocolate taste
The
overpowers the
chocolate
strawberry.
tastes pretty good though.
I didn't taste no strawberry in that thing. None.
It tastes like a chocolate
Nada.
Oreo.
Yeah.
Nafito.
Last but not least, the Oreo Peeps.
Which needs to go in the garbage.
They taste like Peeps, so if you like
this
Peeps,
already.
I know. If you like
Alright.
Peeps, go for it.
Which one of these, again, 1 to 4, tastes exactly as the box suggested?
Okay, so this is 1. Once again, that's 2. That's 3 and 4. I mean, although you can't really taste spring. You can't really taste spring.
Actually,
so.
it said on the box, yellow cream, seam taste, 4 fun springs. So,
So it
there
is
we
the
go.
same.
It's
thing.
exactly what it said.
Okay. First place, second place, third, fourth. And yeah, that's it.
So there you have it, folks.
There you have it.
With the ones that are limited edition, that would be chocolate strawberry.
And
Peeps.
And this one's probably limited edition.
No, it's not. So we have limited edition is the chocolate strawberry and the Oreo Peeps. So if you want to go out and give them a try, please do.
And we'll
And let us know
try.
what you think.
And we'll try more as they come, I guess.
Yep. So we'll see you next time.
We love you. And remember to like it, comment, subscribe if you like content like this. All right. See you later. Till next time. Peace.
And shut up!